Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today, I'm just going to be doing a really quick, cute Valentine's Day craft. Bought these from the Dollar Tree. When he's done, he's going to look like this. So just quick follow along, and I will show you how to put one of these cute little guys together. Got some glue here that I bought from the Dollar Tree. Each little package comes with 2 of these hearts, little antennas, some eyes, and a pom-pom. So let's pop these little antennas out of here like this. Toss that off to the side. I'm going to start with the antennas. Oh, gotta get that glue flowing. There we go. So a little dab of glue on each one. And stick those to the back. Even them out. Now I'm going to glue on the back heart. And actually, before I glue this on, I haven't been liking the way these have been coming out. I mean, that one's adorable. But I think I'm just going to trim this back heart down so that there's not as much to get in the way of the heart that's in front. Yeah, it's a little straighter. Sorry if my camera shakes a little bit. All right. So the back heart is on. Glue on his little feet. And the eyes. Oh, he's gonna fall over. There we go. And I just want to talk briefly at the end of this video about what my channel is going to be about, what to expect or not expect. Because quite frankly, I'm not even sure what to expect yet. So for the most part, my channel is going to be about doing little projects like this. Ta-da! Like I said, when they're all dried up and they're good to go, they look kind of like this. This one I didn't cut this back heart, but I feel like it then was harder to put together. And this is more what my channel is going to be about, is about finding other ways to make them. So this is a pom-pom that I made with this little Dollar Tree pom-pom maker that I found. Our local Dollar Tree has, this is the small one, there's a small and a medium for $1, or a large one for $1. And I think the pom-pom turned out great, and I think that this is really cute. The pom-pom is more the size that I like for these hearts. So back to about my channel real quick. I'm going to be doing little craft projects, maybe some weld instruction, definitely some welding and fabrication projects. I'm a welder by trade, and I grew up my entire life doing little arts and crafts with my mom, and so that's what this channel is going to be about, is little arts and crafts, some here and there, some fabrication and some welding, a couple of big projects that me and my husband are planning, and then just whatever random inspirational thing comes to mind for me. I'd like to inspire you guys and give you ideas and kind of help you think of new ways to do projects. Even stuff like the little heart little heart pom-pom guys that I just made. You know, instead of doing the one that the kit gives you, you can do something made a little more personal by making a pom-pom for it. So yeah, that's just a little bit about what my channel is going to be about. I hope you guys like and subscribe this video, or to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Obviously I'm kind of new at this, so a little bit of encouragement. I'm sorry about my camera, by the way. It doesn't seem to know how to focus on anything. But yeah, that's just about it. Thanks for watching this far. Again, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next one.